It is time for the Lightning Round. That's right. I'm Cold Remy, saying the stock started by buy. So didn't know the core stock was there. My staff best, but play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski down to the lightning round. We're going to start with Brian in Colorado. Brian.
Jim, how you doing?
I am doing well, Brian. How about you?
I'm doing great. I hope they give you some time off over the holidays here.
Oh, I hope so, too. I got a lot of other stuff I got to be cooking on. Hal, let's go to work. What do we got?
Going into 2025, I was wondering how you feel about gold miners, specifically Newmont Corporation, ticker NEM.
I think Newmont is terrific, and I think you'll do well. I think that we have to have a hedge, and it can either be Bitcoin or gold or both. Let's go to Joe in New Jersey. Joe.
Hi, Jim. Happy holidays.
Same to you, Joe. How you been?
Oh, good, Jim. Jim, Dow Chemical. What do I do?
Dow Chemical, I'm decided that it's just a China stock. It seems to trade with the materials, and the materials are trading off of China. It doesn't matter if it's even true or not. But that's why this thing keeps going down, and I'm not going to touch it until January, because now we got everybody have a loss on the darn thing. Let's go to Jade in Ohio. Jade.
Jim, great to be here, man. I just want to say a big thank you from the bottom of my heart for what you do to people. I may
thank you.
And it with Reddit.
Thank you
to my friend back at home, Carletta. Congrats on the baby girl. Jim, what are your honest thoughts on Allstate's balance sheet right now?
Allstate's balance sheet is fine, but I don't like the insurers. The only one I'm recommending is Chubb. Let's go to Stuart in Florida. Stuart.
Professor Cramer, how are you this evening?
I'm doing well. Thank you for giving me tenure. What's going on?
Well, I wanted you to know that I'm a club member.
Thank you.
I had the pleasure of meeting you and Jeff at the annual meeting in Coral Gables.
It's going to be fun. Next year, we're already planning. It's going to be great. I need you to be there. How do we go to work together? What are we thinking?
I also have to thank you for helping me improve my account balance by over 40% this year to date.
Thank you. That's what we want. We want club members to make a lot of money. That's the point. It's a simple goal. Let's go to work.
Well, about 6 months ago, I bought into a small position in this company, and it immediately popped up 20%. But since then, it's been churning and consolidating and going back and forth between 15 and 20% up. And it missed earnings in November by a few pennies. And so I was wanting to get your opinion on CLH.
Clean Harbors. Doing the doing. All right, so my take is that it's time to ring the register. It's up 40%. It's a very event-oriented stock. I think you should take profits in Clean Harbors. I don't like the chart either. Not that that should necessarily determine things, but the stock's up a great deal. Let's go to Timothy in Florida. Timothy.
Hey, Jim. Good evening. Thanks for taking my call. Can I say hi to my daughters, Jayla and Lainey? My stock is Sirius XM Radio.
The numbers aren't there. The numbers aren't there. We got to move on from that one. I don't care that it's already down, but the numbers are not there for SIRI. Let's go to Pal in New Jersey. Pal.
Hey, Jim. Booyah. How are you?
I am doing well. How about you?
Good. Thanks for taking my call again.
Of course.
Happy holidays to your family and your amazing team.
Thank you, Phil. Thank you.
May the Santa rally continue. And my question today was about Reddit. I know you have described it.
You know, I've liked Reddit, but you know what? Reddit now has a parabolic chart, and I don't know what to do about it. It's just going bonkers, and I wish that it hasn't pulled back before I can recommend it. It's an extraordinary chart, and it's just moved up too much. Let's go to William in New Jersey. William.
Jim, it's good to hear your voice.
Thank you.
I've got a question about press at Shutterstock.com. I go to them and I don't.
Digital imagery. I don't understand why it's not doing better. And if I don't understand why it's not doing better, then I think there must be something else to it that I can't figure out. So therefore, I cannot opine on it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, Cramer takes stock of stock picking in an uncertain market. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.